Hello everyone, Ron Wilkie, Territory Manager of Kioti Tractor here. This particular zero turn is the ZXC 54 SE. SE models come with a full 3 inches of suspension, very comfortable seat, the 48, 54 or 60-inch mower deck, a 10 gallons of fuel available, 2 different tanks with a splitter valve. What's nice about this unit is it's 100% Kioti design. We use North American components like the high quality seat, a Kohler, Kawasaki, or Briggs & Stratton commercial engine with a 3-year commercial warranty. Hydro gear transmission capable of 10 miles an hour on this particular model on the ZXC SE. A lot of nice features about this tractor. This is a complete welded fabricated deck on this tractor. All 3 models, even the residential models, use this same configuration. 3 different mowers available on this unit, the 48-inch, the 54-inch and the 60-inch mower. All 3 of these mowers are available in either the commercial model or the residential model. The same welded fabricated deck with 3 sealed spindles. Kioti ZTRs are what you would expect from Kioti. Easy to work on, very reliable, heavy built. For more information, please visit Kioti.com or your local Kioti dealer. Thank you.